We have to start the trek early in 3 am so that we can treat ourselves with the sunrise view from Tunganath and Chandrashila Peak. As there is burglars in the road from Maniakund to Chopta, the cars could not access the road.
Hey! Hey!
Hi, Dusty.
We trekked the entire 3 km stretch from Maniakund to Chopta via mountain
Please say something.
for saving time.
No problem. Okay, man.
Srikanth,
Huh?
please say something.
Hey, everybody, we've started the summit. Coming! Chandrashila, we are coming!
The trek from Chopta to Tunganath is accessible via a cemented pilgrim trail. It ascends sharply via a series of 11 scissor bends. The walk is pleasant but is a very steep climb. The road is completely buried under ankle-deep snow. Our technical guide had to open the route for us in the beginning of the journey, and we all are wearing micro spikes and gaiter. The trek up to Tunganath temple is approximately 3 km.
It is around 7:30 am and we are almost in the Tunganath temple. The railings and the snow, and there is the mountains. Yes.
After reaching the 10th scissor bend, we reached to a flag and a small open temple in the right side of the trail. From here, the Chandrashila peak and the Tunganath temple complex at the base of the peak is visible. The views from here onwards are incredible. A connecting peak leading to Chandrashila, which is visible in our right side, is Ravanshila. Tunganath temple is only a half kilometer away from here. In our left, there is a section of birch trees, which is known as Bhojpatra in Hindi. You could easily find a monal or griffin vulture over there.
Chandrashila peak.
We are lucky to find a monal sitting in the branches, but the visuals are not that good, so I am not attaching the picture.
Keep walking, Nance. जिंदगी में और क्या है? आनंद ही आनंद है और समिट ही समिट है.
जो आता है वो पाता है,
जो नहीं आता है
वो खोता है.
बस. Thank you.
Take the 11th and last bend to reach the famous and holy Tunganath temple. The temple is closed in the winter and snows will be there till April. Due to some delay in Chopta, we have to witness the sunrise from the route.
चलती रहना है.
सब लोग पहुंच गए मंदिर. चलो चलो, मंदिर अभी दूर नहीं है.
जय भोले भंडारी.
अच्छा बनती है.
चलो जीप. Not stopping anymore.
Chandrashila peak is 1.5 km above the temple complex.
मेरा पैर कांप
The
रहा है.
route to Chandrashila peak is from behind the temple complex. We have to pass by the local dormitories and take the trail that winds from the right side of the base of the Chandrashila peak. A trail goes by from here and takes a series of scissor bends.
Chandrashila.
As ours
Here we
is
come.
winter trek, this trail is completely
Yes.
buried in snow. The climb from Tunganath to Chandrashila is a 600 feet ascent and is a very steep climb. After negotiating a series of switchbacks, we reach the upper base of Chandrashila peak. From here, the summit of Chandrashila is visible. The climb up to the summit takes 30 to 45 minutes. Once you get up at the top of the peak, you get a 360 view of the mountain of Garhwal and Kumaon. Mountains of Uttarakhand like Nanda Devi, Trishul, Nandakundi, Kamet, Dunagiri, Chokhamba, Kedar Dome, Thalai Sagar, Gangotri Range, Jhankut are visible from here. There is another temple present in the top of the Chandrashila peak. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. This is believed to have been built by Lord Ram to atone for the sin of killing Ravan.
Shaitan.
I want to be in that photo. I'm coming. Yeah.
Congratulations, Amit! Woo!
Yeah.
Good job! Ring the bell, go!
Bajak tu ada. Mana tu bajak? Ayo bang. Congratulations.
Ring those bells! Yeah, bro! Finally!
We didn't get the clear view of the mountains from Chandrashila peak as there is western disturbance and snowfall in that particular day. The trek back to Chopta is via the same route. It takes 20 to 30 minutes to reach Tunganath and another 60 minutes to reach Chopta from Tunganath.
दीवार में एक मशीन होता है
नहीं वो उसकी बात नहीं है
Chopta have a few private guest lodges and we have spent our night
The reason why I like to mention is that before I could think about going on this trek, she was in it completely for me. She like go for it. She came out with me to buy all the stuff. She like did a double, triple checklist, but everything was taken for her. So definitely my wife. Then my super boss, who's always been with, he's been with India Heights. So I think he was like, you should go for it, take a break. And it's something that I couldn't believe my ears because a super boss telling me that get out of the work. And then thanks to Krishna Bhai to give me all the company in the world. And Satish Bhai as well. And Srikanth.
In the next day morning, we left for Haridwar by car, bidding adieu to Devbhoomi, but promised ourselves to come back again.
म्हणजे शाळेत का नाही किस्मत का किस्मत कनेक्शन माहिती ना